How you doing, guys? We're gonna go over some stretches and then some wall strength drills on the wall. I know a lot of you guys don't have a lot of room, so we're gonna try our best to keep things pretty condensed. So one of the stretches I really like doing is this. Legs super wide. One set of toes towards that wall, this set of wall, all the way down. Now, your goal here is to have your heels on the ground and you want your buttock close to the floor as possible. Now, if this stretch is too easy for you, what you do is arm closest to the bent leg, put your hand right next to your foot, and you're gonna push with your elbow. This will get you a bigger stretch. You're gonna hold this for about 10 seconds, maybe 20 seconds, depends on how flexible you wanna go. And then shift your weight. Again, what you wanna do is you want your heels on the ground and you wanna point your toes towards the wall. Same thing on this side. Toes towards the wall. For a bigger stretch, hand next to your foot, and then push open with your elbow. Just like this. And again, you want to hold for about 10 seconds, maybe 20. Me personally, I like to hold it a little bit longer. And there. From there, you feel nice and warmed up, let's try the splits. Now, 2 ways to do this stretch. Again, legs super wide. Hands on the floor. Now, when you do your splits, you can take your toes and point it forward or point it up. Either way is fine. Depending on where your toes point, you'll get a different stretch. So if you come down here, you'll feel it deeper, closer to your groin. Come here, you'll feel it a little bit more towards the back end. Come down. What you want to do, come sideways, so you don't want to come too far forward. If you do this, you're not doing well. Here. Heels in line with your hips, back up, straight as possible, and come down. Nice and low, just like that. And again, you want to hold for about 10, 15, maybe even 20 seconds, depends on you. So, from there, let's go to the wall. This is one of my favorite stretches as well. It's a butterfly, it's a little modified, but we're going to use the wall. What this does is, it gives you a good posture. And in martial arts, we all know that you have to have good posture to have good technique. So, get into a butterfly position. Butt against the wall, back against the wall, shoulders against the wall. That's very important. From here, hold. Hold. As much as you can. What this does is it kind of locks you in place. When you don't have the wall behind you, you have the tendency to scoot back a little bit. This prevents you from going back. So from here, I'm going to pick a good spot, take my hands, push down on my knees. And again, hold for as long as you like. Sometimes if I'm bored at night, I'll hold it for about a minute. So everybody's asking me, hey, how do you get so flexible? Well, this is one of the stretches I do. And we release. So let's continue using the wall. If you don't have an area where you have access to the wall, you can use a couch, you can use a chair. So let's do this. I'm going to pretend that this is one of my chairs. Back of the chair. Let's do a side kick or a roundhouse. One of the first things we do is that we make sure that our leg is straight. Toes towards the wall or the chair. Heel, opposite direction. What I'm going to do is I'm going to bring my knee up. If you've been in class with me, I always say, wherever your knee is pointed, that's where your foot goes. So make sure it's not down here, off the side, way over, or here. Nice and slow. Hold. Bring back. Hold. Bring back, and then fast. If you want, you can even pop it and hold it. Do this about 10 times on both legs. So, if we want to do more of a strength challenge, we're going to bring it up, push, then small circles, one direction, go the other direction, then knee back, pop, and then circle again. Repeat on both sides. You can also do this with side kick, front snap kick, but always make sure your posture is good.